So that's where we're heading now, to the Minecraft experience over at Corner here in Canary Wharf. You can see the business district over there in the background. So we're just across from there. We've got to go one stop on the DLR, on the Jubilee line, to Canada Water. Oh no. If it's Canada Water, does that mean there's Canada geese? It appears everybody and their brother has merch from the Minecraft experience. Your adventure starts now. Villager rescue. I ain't rescuing no villagers.
I guess I will.
You get the Minecraft experience that my children are not going to experience. A piggy! Another piggy!
Follow on mouthful, didn't you?
Yeah, I did actually. Piggy! Oh, the Minecrafters. They are crafting the mines. And there's the piggy. Working down the tech pit.
5-minute rest, it's allowed to 15 minutes. Keep going, guys.
Get the zombies!
Skeleton.
Do we get the spider? What does the spider do? I've got spider poison. Oh, I know.
Oh wait.
Yes, that's what we need to do, Josh. Well, don't you need to turn yours red as well? Oh, right, that's what we've done. So we did that. We did that. Let's get more spider poison. Put it down there, Mummy. Ollie, down there. Where are your mummies? Where are your mummies? I've charged mine up. Put it on there, Ollie. Get the skeletons! The nether portal!
I don't know if you want to take another photo of your kid before we go through. We don't know if there's going to be another time afterwards. They may not make it, who knows?
Get them, Josh!
Get them.
Huh? Are you going to get the piglets, Mommy?
It's hard to throw with these all.
How many villagers do you reckon, are we? I reckon about 4.
5.
If it's all my responsible, it's about 1.
It's almost ready. Explosion of weakness.
Uh-oh. Yay!
Great team! We're all invited to the trading post to celebrate. You're amazing. Just look at all the villagers.
You're all invited to the gift shop to celebrate.
Check out all your achievements.
4,802 villagers, thank you very much. Ollie, how was your review of the
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Yeah.
Was it 4,802 out of 4,802, seems as that's how many villagers we saved.
What?
4,802 out of 4,802, seems as that's how many villagers we saved.
I wonder what the max amount of villagers is you can save.
Who knows? So Dockland's had a bit of an upgrade since last time I came, and we're over here at Canada Water with a lovely little bridge over. And this place here is called Corner, which is where the Minecraft experience is. And it's got a little, it's got a cafe with a hydroponics area, and it has music, and I think there's some more stores around the corner as well. And there is the Gonk Crane robot.
Gonk Crane robot.
Gonk Crane robot, I am coming to get you. I will eat you.
Are you sure that's not a transformer?
No, it's a Gonk Crane robot, I told you. You have been watching Munchy Road Hippopotamus. Thank you for joining us in our adventures. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy our channel, and tell us about any adventures that you have in the comments below. Get out there and explore your world.